Hello, this is old Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I recently had a question from a viewer wanting to know if my iPad was Wi-Fi only, and which it is, and because that's what his is, and he also wanted to know if you could still use, without a Wi-Fi, still use the change of return to home on the tablet. So, and I kind of thought you could because it doesn't rely on a Wi-Fi for that. It relies on GPS. And so I thought, well, I haven't tried it. I haven't flown. I haven't tried changing return to home with my tablet. So it was a good excuse to fly. So I grabbed my little Mavic Mini and went to the park. And as you will see in the video, everything worked fine without a Wi-Fi. So it turns out to be, this is pretty much just a tutorial on how to use your tablet to change the return to home point. And so anyway, it worked out fine, and I want to thank my friend for asking. And so let's take a look. Oh, by the way, I wore my GoPro camera on my hat so I could keep you verbally informed of all the exciting action that was taking place. Okay, well, it looks like we're, too close. Let's calibrate the compass. Doesn't seem to want to act like it's supposed to. Well, we'll wait till we get off the ground. Starting the recorder. Aim the camera down a little ways, and we're going to go up and go forward. All right, let's go up to about, that's a little bit off, but it's good. Okay, let's go up to about 50 feet, and we're going to fly down to the other end of the field. Okay. And we'll hover there, and we'll go into our map. And so there you can see where the drone is, and I don't know why the map's got that dot on it, but it's got a dot on it for some reason. Now we're going to go back. We're going to go into settings, and we're going to go into update home point. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to move the map. We'll put the home point way down at the other, way down there by the ball field. Okay, now we'll go back. We'll get the map out of the way here, and I'm going to hold down the return home button. He's going to go up to about 150 feet. The reason I go with 150 feet is the power poles and the phone poles for your iPhones and stuff, they're all less than 150 feet, at least in this area. So he's headed down to the new home point. Let's see if we can spot him. I hear him. Oh, he's going over the top of us. Yeah, there he goes. He's a cute little guy. Can hardly see him though. Okay, now he should be to his home point, the new one. And I'm having trouble with my orientation symbol for some reason. I calibrated the compass, but it's not working today. And he's down to 60 feet at the new location, so let's go ahead and cancel return to home. Okay, Now we'll look up to where we are, and there's the ball field. So we changed the return to home without any Wi-Fi, and by going into the settings. And so there I am over there. All right, let's take this baby home. There goes a little boy on a skateboard, or on his bicycle with training wheels. Bless his heart. I'm going to bring it down to about 20 feet. Or so. Come in to the landing pad. Whoop, too much. Okay. Look straight down. And that's pretty good. Back it up a little bit. Get it down there, about there. Okay, that should about do it. Whoop, a little bit too much. I think we got a breeze going, so I'm just going to go ahead. Bring it down. And there it is. Whoa, he's a little bit off. So let's go right. And back. Come on, let's get this thing lined up here. All right, land. All right. So that should do it. So as it turns out, if you want to change the return to home point and you're using a tablet, at least a iPad, you go to settings and go make sure you're in the safety section. Come down to the change the return to home point part of the menu. Tap on that. Drag your finger on the map and put the return to home point where you want it and click OK. And then get out of the menu and test it out yourself. So I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.